Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Ad Creative AI in 2024 to automate your ads. So guys, we'll also cover the pros and cons of this powerful tool. So let's dive in. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is go over to the Ad Creative AI website and sign up for an account. And once you are logged in, you'll be able to see there a user-friendly dashboard. So now to create your first ad, just simply click on create a new ad and you'll be prompted to select your ad format such as image, video, or carousel. So just simply choose a format that you prefer. And after that, just upload your assets like image, videos, and any text that you want to include. And Ad Creative AI will analyze these and generate multiple ad variations for you. And now once the ads are generated, just review the variation, guys. And from there, you can add some designs and change the text or pick the best performing one based on the AI recommendation. And after that, you'll be able to generate an automated ads. So now guys, let's move on to the next one and let's talk about the pros and cons. So guys, the pros of this software is it is a time saving. It automates the ad creation process and freeing up your time for strategy and analysis. And the second one is multiple variations. So guys, it provides a variety of ad designs and helping you find the most effective ones. So next up is AI optimization. So guys, it uses AI to optimize the ads for a better performance. So now let's slide into the cons. So guys, the cons is it can be pricey for a small business or a startup. And the second con is customization limits. So guys, it offers a customization, but it might not be as flexible as a manual design tools. And the last cons of it is dependence on AI. So guys, relying on too much on AI might limit creative input and unique branding. So that's how to use Ad Creative AI to automate your ads in 2024. So guys, I want to tell you that it's a powerful tool with many benefits, but also a few limitations to keep in mind. But if you found this video was helpful, guys, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tip and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See ya.